Mark with Right Line Trading. This is our evening newsletter, which starts with this disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities that we provide are for demonstration and educational purposes only. Everyone should understand that participating in the markets involves substantial risk, and a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Always carefully consider your financial position prior to making a trade, and never trade more than you can afford to lose. Now, right now, we are in a very, very tough market environment. Our options portfolio is hedged to protect us somewhat to the downside. It's also diversified so that we have additional protection, but it's still a real tough market to negotiate. I think at some point the Fed's going to have to admit that the inflationary indicators that we're seeing, the price of gasoline up to $4 a gallon in many areas of the country, go to the food store and your shopping bill is astronomical, that this is not just a transitory thing. It's not a supply chain issue. The fact is that we are printing dollars at an incredible rate, and we are simply destroying the value of the U.S. dollar, and we're seeing that in the form of inflation. The Fed is the government's the printing press, and the Fed issues treasury notes to cover the printing, and China buys our debt. It is a really awful situation. Now, I never like to recommend a bottom because no one can call it. But if there was a stock, I would be looking to pick up on a pullback and potentially get in either late this afternoon or tomorrow. This newsletter may go out after the market closes, is Pure Storage. And the reason I like Pure Storage, first of all, you can see it has come down from about $20 to about $19. So it's down about 5%. Are two things. One is there have been multiple block trades of Pure Storage. Now, I think the total amount comes to 1.5 million shares. Now, these are not insider traders, or they would have to file a Form 4. These are just very, very wealthy investors coming in to pick up Pure Storage on this pullback. And secondly, there was a large number of call positions that crossed the ticker today with an August expiration, looking at Pure Storage at a $20 strike price. Now, you can't label the options that crossed as unusual options activity because the size of the trades did not eclipse the size of open interest. So technically, this is not classic unusual options activity. But I think in concert with the insider buying of almost 1.5 million shares of Pure Storage, and in addition, a significant number of call positions with a $20 strike price in August, I think this is a very, very opportune time to move into Pure Storage. You can see off the right edge of the chart that Pure Storage is on the move. It's trading up right now at $19.09. Either way, I think it's good right back to its prior high here at 20, and if it breaks 20, it's got blue sky above it. And that is exactly what the traders who purchased those options today are anticipating. So if there was any stock I was going to buy off the bottom, it would be Pure Storage for all the metrics that I just went over. Be exceedingly cautious in this market. Keep your powder dry. Eventually, we will hit a bottom, and you're going to be able to get some great stocks at a really nice discount. If I was to move in today, I would move it on Pure Storage. Everyone have a great evening, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow.